If your Instagram followers are growing but your revenue isn't, you're simply not tracking the right metrics. I've seen businesses with 50,000 followers struggling to make a single sale, but I've also seen accounts with 3,000 followers consistently booking clients every week. And the difference has nothing to do with how often they post or how polished their content looks. The difference is tracking the right metrics. Hey, I'm Ellie, and at Vista Social, we help thousands of marketers grow their social media with practical and data-driven tools. Our platform lets you automate, plan, and publish content and shows you how to turn social media into assets that actually drive measurable results for your brand. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 4 Instagram metrics that revenue-generating businesses track. And don't worry, I'll also teach you how to interpret them correctly and make better content decisions. First up, we've got DM engagement. This is probably the most overlooked metric in Instagram analytics and the #1 revenue signal for businesses in 2026. While everyone obsesses over likes and followers, revenue actually comes from DMs. And here's why. Meta prioritizes meaningful interactions in their 2026 algorithm, especially when content drives someone to your DMs. Store replies, comment prompts, and broadcast channel responses all signal high intent that outweighs passive engagement like views, shares, and likes. Okay, let's think about what a DM actually means. When someone sees your content, they feel something about it, and then they decide to reach out. That's not random, that's intent. And with the right follow-up strategy, that warm lead is already halfway to converting. If you're publishing content regularly and getting fewer than 5 to 10 DMs per week organically, your content isn't sparking conversations yet. Fix your content strategy first. Audit what's not converting. Then add DM triggers to your stories, reels, and captions. #2, reach and impressions. Let me clear something up that confuses even experienced marketers. And once you understand this distinction, you'll catch a mistake that most Instagram accounts are making right now. Impressions and reach are not the same thing, and treating them like they are can slowly quiet down your growth. Reach is the number of unique individual accounts that saw your content. One person, one count. Impressions are the total number of times your content was displayed, including every repeated view from the same account. So if your impressions are climbing but your reach is flat, it means the same people are seeing your content over and over again. Your loyal audience is rewatching, which is great for engagement, but new eyes aren't finding you. You're just speaking to the same room again and again. If your reach is constantly lower than your follower count, your content is likely being suppressed. The algorithm is seeing low performance signals and pulling back distribution before your content even gets a chance to spread. So, what can you do to fix this? If your reach drops below 20 to 30% of your follower count consistently, it's time to audit 3 things: content quality, posting frequency, and your hashtag and keyword strategy. At least one of these 3 is broken. The number to watch isn't just impressions, it's where your reach is coming from: followers, non-followers, hashtags, or the explore page. That breakdown tells you exactly how your content is being discovered. #3, engagement rate. A lot of accounts chase follower count like it's the goal. It's not. Just having a huge following on your account won't drive revenue if your audience isn't engaging with your content. That is a huge red flag. The engagement rate is the percentage of people who interacted with your content through likes, comments, shares, and saves. It tells you not just how many people saw your content, but how many people responded to it. So while reach measures visibility, engagement measures impact, and they don't always move together. High reach with low engagement is a warning sign, not a win. It means people are scrolling past you. But a lower reach with high engagement, that's the algorithm's favorite signal. That's the content it wants to spread. For a business account on Instagram, a strong engagement rate falls between 1 and 5%. If you're still below 1%, your content strategy needs a serious reset. And look, if you're doing this across 5, 10, or 15 client accounts, tracking all of this manually every week is genuinely unsustainable. That's exactly where Vista Social can help you. One dashboard, all your clients, all 4 metrics without any spreadsheet chaos. We have a 14-day free trial going on right now, no credit card needed. Just click the link in the description. And #4, conversion metrics. Now, let's talk money. This is the one key indicator for any business that justifies their Instagram investment to any stakeholder, client, or executive. Conversion metrics measure the actions taken on your profile that connect directly to business results. Clicks on your link in bio, profile visits driven by content, and story link clicks. Most people make the mistake of assuming that reach and engagement are enough to provide ROI. They are not. Reach tells you how many people saw you. Engagement tells you how many people reacted, and conversion metrics tell you how many people actually took a step toward doing business with you. Without tracking this metric, you cannot make a credible case for your social media investment. This is also where having proper analytic tools matters. Platforms like Vista Social allow you to track conversion-focused metrics, including link clicks, profile activity, and campaign performance, all inside a single reporting dashboard. Instead of guessing what content is driving results, you can actually see the data behind it. Each of those 4 metrics we just talked about cover a different stage of your audience journey, and together, they give you a complete picture of your Instagram performance. But the problem is, even after knowing all the 4 metrics, I've still seen businesses struggling to convert. And almost every time the problem isn't the content, it's the systems behind it. There are 3 automations that top brands are using right now that most businesses haven't set up yet. And honestly, that's the gap. I break down all 3 in this video right here. Go watch it next because these metrics only work when the right systems are behind them. I'll see you there.